Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you can hear, but I have been a little bit under the weather. I've just had kind of like a general sore throat, flu, cold thing. It's been kind of a bummer. So for today's video, I was like, what can I film that is going to be really enjoyable for me to film? And I thought, why not share with you some kind of comfy, cozy looks that I absolutely love wearing when I'm kind of feeling a bit crappy, having a bit of a like, ugh, kind of day. Clothes I just throw on and I just feel like cozy and warm and comfy. This sweatshirt I'm obsessed with, I will show you in a minute. It's from Selfridge and it's got this little tie detail. You might have seen it actually, maybe it was in a haul. Was it in a haul? I can't remember. If it wasn't a haul, I'll try and link it on the screen. I have a few really comfy looks for you guys that I wanted to share. I thought I would film it kind of vlog style since you guys seem to like that, and just talk you through each of the looks and yeah, the cozy kind of vibe behind them and what I like about them. So I am not going to talk too much because I physically can't, and I will hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first up, the outfit that I was wearing. This is such a like classic me at home outfit, so I just wanted to share it. It's really boring and simple, but honestly, like excuse me, that's the old cold right there. Okay, so first up, I have to talk about this sweatshirt. I've lived in it since I've got it and I'm obsessed with it. It is from Miss Selfridge, and what I love about it is it has this super cute little like tie detail at the waist, so kind of just gives it a little bit of something else. When it's undone, obviously it looks like this and looks really silly, but what I did think is you probably could do this if you had an old sweatshirt that you kind of, it was just like huge and oversized, but you wanted to do something a little different with. You could definitely do this by cropping the hem and cutting up the middle like so. I really like this. Obviously this is the main like detail about the sweatshirt, otherwise it's literally just a white sweatshirt, but I really do like it. I find it so cozy and comfy, and the inside is so soft and snuggly, and that's why it's like my go-to when I'm not feeling 100%, but I still want to look like I don't look gross, if that makes sense. So on my bottoms I have these Lululemon leggings, and I love these ones. This is actually a top tip for my shorty girlfriends out there. I buy the 7/8, and on me they are full length, which is perfect because I actually hate the fact that I always end up buying cropped leggings because the full length ones are too long. Now Lululemon do offer a like hemming service, but like obviously if they've got detail like the bottom of mine have, you're going to lose all of that. So anyway, love these. Underneath I just have a Lululemon bralette that has like a lace detail on the back. I will be sure to link it down below. And then on my feet I currently have on my Adidas Cloud somethings. I will be sure, what are these called? I'll be sure to link them down below, but they're the Cloud Foam. They're just the most comfortable sneakers of all time. And yeah, if I'm being honest, this is my truthful everyday comfy go-to outfit, just kind of working from home where I'm not feeling great and I just don't want to have kind of put on a full outfit. I am in athleisure most of the time. Also, if I'm just having a cozy day and then I want to go work out, I'm already ready to go, which is amazing. And I have a dog, so it's good to be in workout clothes most of the time. So outfit one, very casual, very comfy and cozy, but very practical nonetheless. Okay, so this outfit is a very autumnal one, and it's kind of something if you want to go out and you're not feeling 100%. This is also a great idea for if you're having a bit of a PMS day, which we all have, and it's still kind of chilly outside and you want to be in something cute. So on my top I have this gorgeous khaki green. It's a little bit sheer, but it's if you wear the right kind of thing underneath, you're fine. Sweater. This is from American Apparel, I believe. I will be sure to link this or something similar down below, but what I love is this is kind of almost like a dress style. It's like slouchy and cozy, and I just feel like I could like eat loads in this, or I also feel like if my tummy was kind of being sensitive, you know, it could get a bit bloated and I would feel okay. So that's why I love this kind of a sweater. And obviously you could wear this with leggings, again, for something really comfy, or if it was warm enough and you didn't want to wear you want to wear this as a dress, you could just do a slip underneath, because obviously it's a little bit sheer, and then tights and boots. I think that would work really well too. I've gone and thrown on these jeans. These are from American Eagle and I love them. I got them in the summertime. They're still on the website, so I'll be sure to link them. And what I love about these is they are so stretchy. They're honestly like unbelievably comfortable. I've had a really like kind of sensitive stomach the last few days, and these feel like I'm wearing leggings. They are so great, so comfy, and they just look like, you know, you put a little bit of effort into your outfit. I like the distressing on them. I really like the distressing on the thigh here, the knee, and then I've got this kind of like ripped raw hem at the ankle there, and I feel like on other people maybe they'd sit more like there, but as I said, I'm a little petite, so they go right to the hem on me. And then I've just thrown on these sneakers. These are from Zara. They are old, but I've just seen Steve Madden have the exact same this season in, so I'll be sure to link those down below. And then yeah, I've got like really no jewelry on. I've got no necklaces, no bracelets, nothing. All I have on are these tiny little earrings, which I think I'll just keep on throughout the rest of the video. This next look, you might have seen a couple of these pieces in my closet before, but maybe not styled this way. So khaki pants, let's start off here. These guys are the dream. I flew in these a bunch over the summer and they were just the most comfortable pants. They're from Miss Selfridge, these ones, but I know Topshop have some. I'll be sure to link a few below if I can't find these ones for you. But I love these. They're like the perfect pant to like dress up and down, because they genuinely feel like sweatpants, but if you throw on a boot, a tight top, and like some heels, they look really chic and really smart. But how I've styled them is like the ultimate comfy but like stylish. You could totally wear this to fly in, or kind of just hanging around on a weekend if you just want to be comfy but you just also need to get dressed, basically, which is what all these outfits are. Then on my top half, I have on this adorable cropped knit. This is from Pretty Little Thing. I've talked about this sweatshirt before. I absolutely love this. It's just such a flattering shape on me. I find it ends in a really nice place, and I feel cozy and warm even though it's cropped, because it just kind of is only cropped this tiny little bit in the front, if that makes sense. I really like this outfit. And then on my feet, I've just gone with my classic Vans, easy to slip on and off. And yeah, I really like how like easy this outfit is. Honestly, like I say, I would wear this to fly, I would wear this to hang out at home, or to kind of have a really casual weekend Sunday vibes. And yeah, it's just the most like comfy outfit, and this is perfect for that kind of transitional period where there's the odd hot day but it's kind of cool. You could also do a little like crop top underneath this, so if it was cooler, got a bit warmer and you want to take it off, you could. But yeah, I just think this is such an easy, comfortable look that I live in. Okay, so my final look kind of revolves around a couple of things. One, a big fluffy coat or cardigan, and then boyfriend jeans. So let's start with the jeans. These are my Levi's, can't remember what they're called, I will link them down below, jeans, and I've had these for a while, but they are the classics and they're always in stock. They're so freaking comfy. Get a pair that is like your size but one up and you'll never stop wearing them. I like mine because they have a little bit of room in them. I'm usually 24, so I got a 25, I think, in these, or maybe maybe I'm 23 and I got a 24. Either way, I got a size up and I absolutely love them. The rip in the knee was already there when I got them, and they just kind of wear better with age. They get softer and softer and softer, and then I'm always upset when I have to wash them because they get a little bit hard again and then they get soft again. But I absolutely love these. I live in them, especially on kind of a weekend comfy day when I just want to throw something on and be cozy and comfy. And then let's talk about this. This I actually got as a birthday gift, and I'm obsessed with it. It's like a giant teddy bear coat and it's like the softest thing ever. It has one popper in the middle, so I did want to do it up. I could, and I kind of like the way big like fluffy coats look with boyfriend jeans. For some reason it's kind of like Typically I would have always worn like a skinny jean, but I really like this look. Don't know why, I'm into it. And then underneath I just have a basic white long sleeved top on that's got this kind of lettuce hem. I think that's from Urban Outfitters, but I'll link it down below as well. Again, just cozy and warm. This is like for one of those days when I just want to be snuggly. Yes, and then on my feet, just for a little bit of pizzazz, because trainers can be fun too, I have these rose gold Reebok sneakers on that I love. And I like these kind of just because they add a little bit of glam to the outfit. I could have gone with something else, but I just thought, why not, you know? And yeah, I absolutely love this. This type of an outfit isn't ever going to be the most flattering, but I honestly don't care because it's the most cozy and warm, and I think it just looks cool. I really do. I would potentially even throw a beanie on with this to get an extra layer in there, but this is the perfect like weekend coziness vibe that, you know, I could go see a movie in this and I just feel, oh, delightful. So yeah, that is my final look. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this style of video, and give it a massive thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this one. And also I'd love to know which look was your favourite, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!